Hello and welcome back. Before I get into the video, like always, let me just check the audio. Yep. Before I get into the video, like always, be mindful that my Discord will be linked in the description below. Nothing here is monetized. There's nothing for sale. There's absolutely nothing like that. There are no sponsors. There aren't even ads in the videos. I mean, this is a trading journal. Okay. Now, this new little element that I'm going to add in, and this is a re-upload, by the way, because this mic, I had it in the back when I first uploaded it, and it fucked up the audio, so I'm going to do it again. But this thing I'm doing here, if you don't know, if it's your first time watching, I'm doing this challenge, 300k challenge. I mean, I could pull it further, but I don't see the point. Where I'm going to take this live, $100,000 account, to $300,000, and I'm thinking I'm going to aim at doing it in about 3 months, because all of the trading content I've been uploading has been pretty, I mean, I wouldn't say linearly consistent, but almost, with how I trade on actual long term. I mean, it's not the exact same when you're institutionally trading. It's a bit different, but it's more or less the same. It is different because I'm backing off a lot more when I'm not trading my personal account. Because if I can pull off 3.5% a month, I mean, that keeps investors happy and I don't have to do anything else. But on my private account, I do 6% a month, 20% a year, or I aim at doing it. I don't hit it all the time. I have red months too. But anyways, so I made it to present what actual aggression is, which is essentially just the same stuff. I mean, it's the same type of strategy that I'm using. I'm doing the same stuff, same SRs, price action. It's just a lot more intricate, aggressive, fast, and on a lower time frame. It is also a lot more likely to blow, high risk, and all of that. And I want some accountability to it. I don't just want to say, here, I made $200,000. No, I want to link a live account through TradingView, through CTrader, with an investor link so everyone can see. You can see what trades I'm taking, everything. So going through this, I've started a little bit. I'm up 4.39%, which is, $4,385.66. Well, hey, like I mentioned in the Discord, I'll probably only be trading gold on this one because of the Iran war right now. So far, the win rate is pretty consistent with what my usual win rate is, which is hovers right above 80%, 82, 83, around that. It's at 85 right now, but the sample size is so small. We have a total of 8 trades here. We'll see. I'll do some better analysis on it when we have better data, when I've done a month, or when I've even done 2 weeks. We'll get some better data and we can see. Anyways, let's get to the analysis. So since it's a re-upload, I've already gone through everything, and it is Friday today. So here, this is the key point. The Strait of Hormuz is closed. It's done. Oil prices are going to go up. Okay. It is Friday today. I don't want you to enter anything. I'm going to mark this one in green. I might enter this myself after this video. I've gone through everything. I did it in the previous video. I mean, we need to repaint everything for the next week going in. That's going to be quite nice. But I did find 3 BOs actually. Or, I mean, it was a CR as well. Now I'm going to tell, but yeah, this was a CR that was entered on the 12 hour. This one was posted in the video. And in the Discord, this one I had a full loss on. So this one went down the drain. For this trade right here, this one, wait for it to trigger a little bit. Wait for it to break some new highs before you enter it. Make this a very short BO. You don't want to hold this over the weekend. I'm already in one myself. I've extended TP on this one. I'm willing to profit on my sell loss. I'm aiming for a 3.0 hit on this one. I'm not going to extend it any further. So with that said, I don't really have much more to go over. We're going to paint tomorrow, unless there's something posted in the questionnaire inside the Discord. And that'll be pretty exciting because right now we've swung over from the CR component to a complete BO market. This week it has been too much of a BO market. When it starts gapping, when this shit is happening, I don't trade. That's not my market. And I mean, I do post it in my Discord. It's in the beginner guide here. In the beginner checklist. You can go through that if you decide to hop in. But we do recommend it against trading when the market is like that. Anyways, this one you can enter, be quick in, be quick out, see walk on with it. Watch it. It's 8 a.m. right now here in Norway. You've got quite some time for the market to open. If you're still in this, when it closes, close. Just leave. Just leave. You don't want to get gapped. I don't want you to have to sit through the weekend if Trump drops 7 Moabs on Tehran over the weekend. Like, that's gonna fuck you, bro. It's gonna gap some direction, or the war ends. Ceasefire, we're done, and then it dumps down again. Don't do that, bro. Don't. Even if you think that's not gonna happen, that goes against my fundamental principle here. Like I always preach, protecting your capital is the #1 priority. So don't take anything more than a full loss, which is 1%. Anything more than that, you're gambling. And I know the majority of my server, or we all know, most of the guys that are regular, or yeah, almost everyone that are regular watchers, are from my Discord. My Discord is a Muslim majority Discord. I mean, probably like 80% Muslims in there. You guys know that shit is fucking haram. Haram, bro. Don't gamble. And I mean, you can set it at lower than 1% as well. 0.9 is fine because you're going to pay commissions. You might get slippage, all that stuff. So doing 0.9 is what I usually do myself. Beyond that, I don't really have much more, but feel free to post it in the Trade Talk. I'm active always in the Discord, like I said. Yeah. 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 Only trade indecisions with small wicks. Always no wicks. I mean, the smaller the wick, the better. Ice. He's probably gonna be the first one to watch this, bro. Because Ice. What time is it for you, Ice? It's 10 a.m. for you in Grozny. He's like a fireman or some shit. So he has like these weird, like, he gets up at like 5 a.m. and works and then sleeps at noon. But he watches my videos right before he sleeps. And yeah. Anyways, I'm not gonna make it any longer than that. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in the Discord. And see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.